Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class. Now we are going to do a quick recap of last lesson. Okay, come on, let me see who is going to answer. The first question, what are the three types of strings?
I'll answer, Miss. There are three types. They are single quote, double quote, and triple quoted strings.
Very good, very good. The next question is, how will you access a character in a string?
Miss, there are two types of accessing character, positive and negative. So in positive, the index value starts from 0 and in negative, it starts from -1.
Very good. The next question is, how will you modify a string? Miss, we can use a replace character 1, character 2 to replace a string. Very good. The next question is, string operators. Tell me any three type of string operators.
First is concatenation, second is append, and third is repeating, Miss.
Very good, children. Very good. I'm happy to see you all learned very well. Yeah, the last question. What is the last question? Yes, the last question is, can anyone tell me the syntax for slicing a string? I told you an example. Yes, miss. String value in square bracket, start value.
Good morning, children. Hope you all are safe by God's grace. Today in Python, we are going to see about string and string manipulation operators. So what is string and string manipulation operators? Before getting into the chapter in detail, we will do a small prayer. God bless your day and keep you safe from harm and more, and may you have a better than the day before. Thank you, children. Now let's get into the chapter. It's again in chapter 8. Okay, and now we are going to see in detail about string format functions. What are the formatting functions available in the string in Python? Let's see them in detail now. So string formatting operators. So what is the first operator we are going to see? See the percentage symbol here. This percentage symbol is used to find out whether they are integer or a character. Correct. So the string formatting operator is one of the most exciting feature. The formatting operator percentage is used to construct strings. Here name Rajarajan, mark 98. So name percentage S and marks percentage T, we combine together, name and mark will be displayed. Rajarajan and marks 98. However, it's displayed same thing, the print statement will be displayed over here. This is string formatting operators. So next to that, we are going to see the next topic. What's the next topic? Yes, formatting characters. We already saw about S. So what does S stands for? String. And this character, C for character, and then what is next to C? It's percentage, D for decimal, U for unsigned decimal integer, X for hexadecimal, E or capital E for exponential, F for floating point, G or capital G for floating point or exponential notation. This is your formatting characters that we use in Python programming. Okay, so next to that we are going to see about, what is the next thing we are going to see? Escape sequence. We already learned in C++ about escape sequence, and we are going to see how they are interpreted differently for single quote, double quote, and then triple quote. So string within triple quote to display a string within a single quote. See, they have double quote, they set, and what is there. So sorry, triple quote, they set, what is there. And inside triple quote, they have one single quote with they start, they set, and then double quotes for what is there. So what will happen when they print it? Only they said will be printed, and what is there alone will be printed with the double quotes because it's a sentence given like that. And next thing is single quote to display single quote using escape sequence. See, just they are using a single quote here. They said what is there. What's going to happen? Correct. Again, what is there alone is printed in double quotes. Okay, here string within double quotes with single quote using escape sequence. So they said what is there. What will happen? They said. You have to change in your book, students. It is they, not he. Okay. So here print they said what is there. What is going to happen here? They said what is there will be printed. So whatever the sentence, the actual statement will be printed, but the escape sequence backslash will not be printed. Here also the backslash is not printed. The backslash is also not printed. How they are interpreted differently. Okay. And now the next we are going to see about string escape sequence supported by Python. So what's the first thing? New line, double slash, that is for backslash, single quote, double quote. This is ASCII bell, B for ASCII backspace, F for form feed, N for line feed, R for carriage return, and T for horizontal tab, V for vertical tab, and O for octal, and X and H for hexadecimal. This is an escape sequence supported by Python. Okay. So what's the next topic? The next topic is string format function. What is string format function? The format function used within string is very versatile and powerful function. The curly braces are used for the placeholders. Let's see an example how the curly braces is used for placeholders. See, number 1 is equal to int input of number 1, number 2 int input of number 2, sum of curly braces. These two curly braces will be printed in number 1, number 2 and number 1 plus number 2. Number 1 34, number 2 54, number of 34 and 54 is 88. So this curly braces takes over the number values are the placeholders. Next, in string format function, we are going to see about built-in functions. So what is built-in string functions? Already they have a set of functions. So here length. The length is used to find the length of a string. Capitalized, the first letter alone is capitalized. Width and fill character to just bring us a design or for a heading. So if I want to use asterisk, I am using 15 comma asterisk. In 15 comma asterisk, what happens? Welcome takes the 7 value and you have 4 before and 4 after the asterisk is displayed. It's just as an heading. Okay, so length, capitalize and then center if you want to print in the center. Okay, next also we are going to see about the built-in string functions. So find. So find substring, start value, end value. So find substring. See, the function is used to search the first occurrence of the substring in the given string. It returns the index at which the substring starts. It returns -1. String 1 is equal to mammals. String dot find MA. And what happens in MA? MA, it starts in the first one. So 0 is printed. Here MA comma 2. So what happens here? 0, 1, 2 and then 3. So it displays the value 3 here. MA comma 2. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is printed. Here MA comma 2 comma 4, they have also given the start value as well as the end value. So in between the 2 and 4 there is no MA. So what happens? This minus value is printed. The -1 is printed. Again here 2 comma 5, 3 is printed. This is the use of find function. Okay. So what is the next thing we are going to see again? Built-in string function. So wherever we are using is, so it represents whether to check a true or false value. Is numeric, alphanumeric. So is digit. Here again is lowercase. Is upper. These two things alone, the lower and then this lowercase and upper is used for conversion. So is alphanumeric? What does it check? It check whether it is an alphanumeric, and if there is any special characters, it displays as false. Alphabet, it just checks only for alphabets or says false. Is digits, what happened? Only the number is accepted. If alphabet, it returns false. Lowercase, it's convert the value to a lowercase. So is lower, it returns true or false. Is upper, it returns true or false. And then uppercase, what happens? It displays the value. The welcome will be displayed in the uppercase over here. This is upper. Okay. Apart from is, the other two upper and lower is used to convert it to uppercase or to the lowercase. Okay. So next we are going to see about, again we have few built-in string functions. So what is count dot string? See, count string back dot, what is beg and what is end? Bec stands for beginning, end stands for end. So returns the number of substrings occurs within the given range. So here string count Raja is given, it displays as 2. So substring, it occurs 2 times. So here small r, there is no small r in this string. Capital R again 2 times. And then it is counting how many small a's are there. So here 1, 2, 3 and then 4 and you have 5. So 5 and then start value is given, beginning and end. In between this, how many a is printed? So find 2 and then 1. So here for a, 11. So a is the substring, the value is 11. So how many is there? 1. So it's printed as 1. ORD we already learned, it displays the ASCII code of the character. For example, if capital A is given, what is the output of the capital A? The number 65. Same thing, CHR, it displays the alphabet where number is given like 97 and alphabet is printed. That is built-in string functions. Okay, so what we are going to see about next to built-in string functions, membership operators. So what is called as a membership operators, children? So see here, the in and not in operator is used to determine the string is present in another string. Therefore, these operators are called as membership operators. String 1 is equal to input enter a string. String 2 Chennai. String 2 is in string 1. They are checking. If string 2 is found in string 1, then they are printing as found. If not, not found. See here, Chennai. Is Chennai present? Yes. So it's printed as found. So here, Chennai is not at all present. So it's printed as not found. This is the use of membership operators. What is next to membership operators? Yeah, we are going to see some examples. Okay, so now to print whether a given string is a palindrome or not. So enter a string. Again string 2 they are going to enter. We are going to compare both the values. Index is equal to -1. What happens? It increments the values for I in string. For I in string. And then what happens? String 2 plus is equal to str index. This given string, reversed string. Format again they are using for what? To check or combine the values. Curly braces is used for putting the values together. So if both the strings are same, it's a palindrome, else it's not a palindrome. See for example Malayalam, when you reverse it, same thing it comes, so it is palindrome. So welcome, if you replace it not given, not replace. If you reverse it's not giving welcome, so it's not a palindrome. Okay, this is an example for a palindrome. We are going to see 2 more examples. Next we are going to see about to display the vowels and the consonants. So how to display the vowels and the consonants? See in the program they are entering asking the user to enter a value. String 2, capital A, small a, all these are contained as in vowels. V for vowels and C for consonants. We are going to add whatever is found in the given sentence, right? So for I in string 1, if I in string 2, V plus is equal to 1. We are adding the vowels and then we are adding the consonants. Again see the format has come here to combine it. So enter a string Tamil Nadu school education. How many vowels are there? They are just counting it. 11 vowels has been found and 15 consonants has been found. This is how you have to use the program to find a vowel or a consonants. Yes. Vowels can be of capital or small letters. And the next example. What's the next example we are going to see? Okay, to accept a string from the user and display the same after removing the vowels. We are going to remove the vowels and print the sentence given by the user. Temp str is equal to quotation. Here you should have one more double quotes. It's missed in the book. You can add it. And then for I in S, if again they are using A, capital A, small a, all the vowels A, E, I, O, U, they are passing it, else they are printing it. So they are passing means what they are doing. They are not taking the vowels into count. So else they are adding it. The string without vowels, temp str. Str is equal to input enter string, rem. This rem, do you recall? This is same over here. It returned the string 1 value and this is printed without the vowels. Mathematical foundations of computer. Again, this is not foundations, it is foundations. They are missing the O here. Okay, these are the examples. Okay, now what we are going to do? Any guess? Yes, we are going to do a quick recap of string functions and manipulations. Okay, what is string? It's a data type in a Python. Immutable. What is immutable? I already told you in the last lesson. Immutable means it cannot be changed during the execution. You can use single quote, double quote and then triple quote for strings, correct. So, positive index and minus negative indexing. Yeah, we saw about positive indexing and negative indexing. Positive indexing starts with 0, negative indexing, yes, starts with -1. So subscript of positive and index, it remains the same. Slice is a substring of a main string. I told an example for cutting a fruit. So slice is a substring of a main string. So stride is a third argument in slicing operation. So escape sequence starts with a backslash and it can be interpreted differently. So format function is a powerful function for formatting strings. So the in and not in operator is mainly used for membership functions. Yes, children, this is all about today's lesson. Hope you understood. Go through the lesson and the book PDF pages. Take up your test on time. Thank you, children. Thank you and have a great day. Stay safe.